to try to take the pace off, but he's got too much power. Samad is now enjoying this outing here in Faisalabad. Held his shot for a moment and then got into a good, solid position to smash it.
Yeah, as if he was saying, with love from Lalpur, already his third maximum. Clearly telling what metal he is made of. Welcome Ahmad Butt with his big bang.
Beria Town Champions Cup. Oh, he's gone through. He just fielded so well at point, and this time has just gone through him.
Touch the ball from his fingertips and more runs. Clear frustration for Ahmad Butt, inside edge. But everything is happening for UMT Markhors. Back-to-back boundaries.
Oh, he's got bat on that. He's gone over that short third. Another boundary. We spoke about him at the start of the game's play. And the man to look out for, as Salman mentioned, Samad, is now coming into his own. We'll talk more on that. 3-1-3 for 5. And that's going to be very straight. Hard to cut off for any fielder at long on, long off. He's been hit hard, drilled down the ground.
50 up for Iftihar. What a way to start your domestic season. The line has roared for UMT Markhors.
That's hit hard. That should be a boundary. Runs are flowing from Samad's bat now. Smashed away through extra. That's a flat bat shot, a horizontal bat shot. It has nothing to do with anything except power, sheer power.
And Usama under tons of pressure. Quick use of feet, rocked onto the back foot. And then perfect connection. What a moment and a brilliant evening for Abdul Samad. Just a couple of runs away from his 50.
Another ball that's asking for problems, trouble, runs. Usama Mir finishes 83 in his 10 overs for no wicket. And the Markhors 333 for 5. Shot. That's a shot and a half. That's not an easy shot to play over extra cover. What an innings, what a knock.
Wow, if you went for a cup of tea, welcome back. This is Abdul Samad. In the blink of an eye, he's completed his first 50 of the Champions Cup. Welcome to the big stage, Abdul Samad. Still 5 deliveries to go. And remember, if they could score another 11 runs, which is now pretty much possible, they would be in a position to claim a bonus point. Remember, if they are going to win.
Oh, he's opened the face, sliced it, and that's gone all the way. Tell you what, this boy is special.
Unbelievable scoring. All 4 corners of Iqbal Stadium. As if he was waiting for this opportunity right from the get-go. Hit the ground running and still counting.
81. Slower one attempted. Still can come back for the second. Might not. Clever bowling. Slowing it down and slowing it to the extent that it doesn't go anywhere. And it's been taken by Shadab down at wide long off. But he's done the damage. He's done his job, what he was sent for. He's completely single-handedly taken his side to a titanic total, which is almost touching 350.
It felt like as if he had to wait for ages to get on to that ball. Got the connection, but played in the air. An extraordinary innings by Abdul Samad in his home ground. Taken away the initiative from Lake City Panthers. 1 delivery to go. Abdul Samad gone back. 347 for 6 UMT Markhors.
1 ball for Naseem Shah. Full toss, gets a bit of an edge into it, but a dot ball. So 347 for 6 is what the UMT Markhors have managed to get. in the allotted 50 overs.